In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website's performance for faster load times and a more streamlined user experience. We'll be focusing on optimizing images, limiting scripts, using a content delivery network or CDN, and clearing your cache. These steps will help you significantly improve how quickly and smoothly your website operates. Let's dive right into the first area. Optimizing images. Large, uncompressed images can be a major bottleneck, slowing down your website significantly. Start by resizing your images to the dimensions that are actually needed on your site. There's no benefit to loading a giant image only to scale it down via HTML or CSS. Use tools or plugins to compress images without losing much quality, which can reduce file size dramatically. Formats like JPEG for photographs or PNG for graphics with transparency are your go-to options, and for next-gen compression, consider WebP. Next, let's talk about scripts. JavaScript and style sheets, while crucial for functionality and aesthetics, can also slow down your site if overused or unoptimized. Prioritize loading scripts that are essential and defer those that aren't crucial, especially if they interact with elements below the fold. Explore asynchronous loading, which allows other elements to load simultaneously, improving initial load times. Also consider cleaning up your code base, removing redundant or unused scripts, styles, and even tags. This tidying up effort can lead to noticeable speed gains. Now onto using a CDN or content delivery network to distribute the load of your website. CDNs cache a version of your site across a network of global servers, ensuring that when someone visits your site, they're pulling data from a location geographically close to them. This reduces latency and speeds up delivery times. Sign up with a reliable CDN provider and configure it with your website. They'll provide you with detailed instructions or plugins to integrate with your existing setup, making the process smooth and efficient. Finally, we arrive at clearing your cache. Caching stores files in a way that allows returning visitors to your site to load content much faster as it's retrieved from a local version. Periodically clear your website's cache to ensure that any updates or changes you make are accurately reflected to your users. You can use caching plugins that might allow you to clear the cache directly from your dashboard, which is simple and effective. Regularly reviewing your caching settings can help maintain a balance between specificity and performance. By following these steps, optimizing your images, limiting and cleaning up your scripts, leveraging a content delivery network, and managing your cache effectively, you'll markedly improve your website's speed and efficiency. Thanks for joining me on this journey to a faster, more efficient website. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.